Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much, Mike. Everybody clap your hands for Micah. Thank you so much, Micah. Now, are you ready now to dance and play with us? I can hear you. Are you ready to dance and play with us? Yeah! We need to hold our hands all together so we can make a big circle. Everybody, let's hold the hands all together. Okay, let's make a big circle, a wide circle. Let's make it big. Big circle. Now, can you please show me your left hand? Left hand, put it up. Left hand. How about your right hand? Right hand. How about your left foot? Right foot. Now let's all turn around, turn around. And now let's close the circle. Close it. Close the circle. And open. One more time. Close it. And open. Now, are you ready now to dance? I can hear you. Are you ready now to dance? I can hear you. I need more energy. Are you ready now to dance? Okay, let's dance, everybody. Here we go.
You put your left arm in, your left arm out, in, out, shake it all about. We do the hokey dokey and we turn around. That's what it's all about. Knees bend, arms stretch back. You put your right arm in, your right arm out. In, out, shake it all about. We do the hokey dokey and we turn around. That's what it's all
Very good. Now this time, who knows how to play Floor is Lava? Can somebody explain how to play Floor is Lava? Can you please explain how to play Floor is Lava, Micah?
You must touch the floor because the floor is lava.
Very good. Everybody clap your hands for Micah. Okay, now when you hear the word Floor is Lava, everybody let's go jump. Jump aside. Okay, now if I say the word step out, you're gonna come out outside the block. Everybody step out, step out, step out. Step out, everybody step out. Okay, when I say the word step out, you're gonna come out outside the block. Step out, everybody. Alright, very good. Okay, now I want everybody to please jump higher. Jump higher. Jump higher. Alright, are you ready? I can hear you. please.